CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance.
I'm going to show you how to install the Smart PSS CMS software that's for use with the Avalonix Premium series of products. First, you need to download the software with the link that's on the page for our CMS software. In my case, I'm using this on a Mac that has an M1 chip on it, so that's why I'm using an ARM64 version of it. Once you've downloaded the file, double-click on the zip file to extract it. And once it finishes extraction, you'll see an icon for the program file. Click and hold that, and you want to drag it into your applications folder. I already have my applications folder open on this side, so I'm going to click and hold the program and drag it in here. It drags it and places it in here. Once that's done, all you need to do is double click on the Smart PSS icon to run the program for the first time. It's going to ask you this message. Are you sure you want to open it? Click OK or open. Here the software is asking you to put in a password to open the software. This is not a password for the NVR, DVR, or IP cameras. It's just to open the software. I'm going to use our default, which is 10IL TXYH with a capital L. So 10I capital L TXYH. You can use the same thing so you don't forget what you set it to. Because if you do forget this password, the only way to get back into the software is you have to delete it out of your applications and reinstall the software. You can answer these security questions if you like. For me, I'm just leaving them as none. Now it auto logs in. Now you can find other guides on how to use this software in the videos below on our CMS software page in our knowledge base. It's very similar to using the Windows version as well. Briefly, I'll show you how to add an item or camera on your network. I'm going to go to Devices, Add. I'm going to name it first, give it an IP address. I am adding a device on my local network. This is not going across the internet. If you're watching this and you're trying to add an item across the internet, you can definitely choose the PTP method. Make sure you're using this software only with the Avalonix Premium series of products, such as NVRs, IP cameras, and DVRs. Once it's added, I get a green light. Could go into plus, live view. I can drag the camera in, and I can watch it here live in full 2K or 4K, whatever the camera resolution is. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.